vlog and another day taking the R33 to IPM. We're getting the suspension sorted and tie rod ends and HICAS eliminate kit installed. Also get the AC regassed and fixed up. Later we'll do our best to keep up with the Porsche 911. We're going to go through some nice twisty roads here in Canberra. And we'll push the car pretty hard to see what we need to think about next. Thinking probably a new set of rubber might help keep it straight, but let's check it out. So we just picked her up from IPM after getting a few bits and pieces all sorted. We've got new front tie rod ends. They've been replaced. The front end feels a lot more stable and secure, especially cornering. AC regassed and a few O-rings replaced around the compressor, so I've got some nice icy cold AC. But the main thing we got installed was a HICAS delete kit. You can see under there. It's all the all the issues fixed up, so now we can start to have some fun with a bit more boost data. Get the fuel system done in a couple of weeks, bigger injectors, fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator, and then chuck it back on the dyno and see what we can push it to. Before probably later this year getting a bigger turbo set up, a few other bits and pieces, and see how far we can push her on a stock block.
2 hours later.
Three, two, one. got back from chasing that 911 through the cotter. Might need to give this thing another wash. Got a whole bunch of bugs stuck to the front of it, but actually did okay. Probably need some new tyres in the rears. They got pretty out of shape pretty quick, and probably also look at maybe adjusting some of the sway bars as well, because it was a bit sort of floated a little bit too much. Other than that, she held up pretty good. I'll give this one a run next.